Queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you my top work wigs that are perfect for work, low maintenance, affordable, all of that. So if you want to know more, make sure you stay tuned. This is the unit that I'm going to be telling you about, and I have it in 2 colors. This unit is just so low maintenance and easy going. It's perfect for the everyday work wear. So just some specs. This unit is by WOC. This unit is probably about 14 inches long, which makes it so great for work because it's long, but it's not too long to where it's getting in everything. The unit is very lightweight, which is also great for work because you want to slay, but you don't want to have like a whole bunch of heavy, thick, long, annoying hair, especially if you paid a lot for it. So this unit that I'm giving you guys today is seriously just like the perfect wig for work. It makes everything so much easier for me personally. And back, so the second color that I have for you is really interesting. I've never tried this color before, and this one is SOMRT 30/33. Okay, it has a 30. Okay, yeah, it's got like a dark root and it reminds me of khaki. So this is that color. And before I have worn this unit many a times and it has saved me many a times, and I just wanted to share with you guys because I know a lot of you guys are hard-working women and we all need an affordable slay. So I will put all the details in the description about the pricing and everything for this unit. Queens, thank you for sticking in there with me. I so appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much. Make sure you go and check and see if you're my giveaway winner. I have given away 2 gifts to my beautiful subscribers. Make sure that you enter the giveaway because I have one more special little gift to give away, and I'm so excited and I want you to get the opportunity to win. So make sure you subscribe to this video, head to my Instagram, follow me, tell me which color you like the best, okay? Make sure that you guys subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.